Okay, so where we left off again was we drew the 3 pumpkins. Okay, that was step 1. So now step 2 is that we're going to draw the 3 stems for your pumpkins. We're going to draw a pumpkin stem on this one where it's kind of going off to the left. And so it's a curved line, a curved line. You can make those go down a little bit. And then you're going to curve and make a squished oval. Alright, same thing up here, except we're going to have it right at the top of the pumpkin. So you're going to do another curved line, round it, and then a squished oval at the top. Now this one here is going to be in the middle, and I'll tell you we're going to get rid of this line here in a moment, so you're just going to have it kind of overlapping. So you're going to have one line, another curved line, curve this, and then the squished oval again. Okay, now you're going to be using pencil, so of course it's going to be easy for you to get rid of this, but you want to get rid of this line. Get rid of this line right here, right here, and then this line here. Okay, so anything that's overlapping, you need to get rid of those lines. Okay, so then the next step, that was kind of that was step 2, and then step 3. The next step is step 4, and step 4 is where you're going to add your pumpkin lines to show the different sections of it. So we're going to start off with the big pumpkin, and right here on the sides of your stem, you're going to make 2 curved lines that are going towards one another. So curve, and then another one here, and it's going to curve. Similar to a beach ball, okay? And then you're going to do one more here, curved, and then continue it down there if you can see it, and then curve another one here, and that's it for the big pumpkin. Now for the other 2 small ones, we're going to do the lines again, and starting from the stem, you're going to curve out, curve, and then curve, and curve. Okay, this is the last one, and this one's probably going to be the trickiest of the 3. You're going to start it where you curve it from that corner of the stem. Now go over here, curve it, curve, do one here, and then you can go back here, do one, and then one here. Okay, so it looks like the pumpkin's kind of facing you a little bit. Alright, now the last step is to add the ground line. You want your pumpkins to look like they're sitting on the ground and not floating. So we're going to put the ground line above the smaller pumpkins, and we're going to have it go from the edge of the paper to the big pumpkin, and then over here kind of measure up where it should go, and then put the other side, the other line. And that's how you're going to draw your pumpkins for the Still Life project.